Snail Mucin 101, your ultimate guide to flawless skin. My name is Dr. Dylan Greeny. I'm a dermatologist partnering with JCPenney to give you a look at what's actually going to work best for your skin. Today we're talking about one of the hottest trends in skincare, snail mucin. It might not be the most common ingredient, but it seriously gets the job done. Snail mucin offers a host of benefits for your skin, which is why it's taken the beauty world by storm. This naturally occurring substance is packed with nutrients that work to hydrate, repair, and rejuvenate the skin. In this episode, we'll be highlighting some of the incredible snail mucin products from the amazing brand COSRX. This is one of our favorite brands here at JCPenney Beauty, so naturally, we think it's the best place to start when it comes to finding your snail mucin products. All of the COSRX products are free of parabens, artificial fragrances, artificial dyes, and alcohol, as well as cheap fillers like mineral and essential oils. And something that's really important to us is that no snails are harmed in this process. The mucin is harvested naturally while the snails do their usual thing. I know it might sound a little gross, but I promise that the results speak for themselves. So if you're curious about snail mucin, or maybe you just need someone to convince you to incorporate it into your skincare routine, this episode is a must watch. We're about to cover a lot of info, so if you want to jump ahead to what you're most excited about, check out the chapters at the bottom. While snail mucin has a ton of uses, one of the most common issues it addresses is dry and dehydrated skin. So many people deal with dry skin, and it can affect people of all ages. Dehydrated skin can be prone to sensitivity and flakiness. It can also compromise your skin barrier, which leads to redness, irritation, and heightened sensitivity. Not to mention, it can make you look dull and lackluster. Thankfully, when you've got the right product, snail mucin can be a hydrating powerhouse. But before we dive into some of the amazing moisturizing products we've got to share, I want to talk about the base of our skincare routine, our cleanser. The COSRX Advanced Gel Cleanser is going to deeply cleanse your skin while utilizing that snail mucin to maintain its moisture barrier. Formulated with high concentration of snail mucin, it removes impurities without stripping your skin of its essential moisture. It's gentle and will leave your skin feeling clean, refreshed, and hydrated. Once you've got your face nice and clean, you'll want to prep it with a toner. COSRX has the Snail 96 toner that does so much more than just minimize pores. With 96% snail mucin content, you'll get optimal hydrating effects. It also creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture, plus it combats dryness, soothes tightness, and promotes a plump and radiant complexion. Between the cleanser and the toner, your skin will be feeling soft, supple, and ready for the next steps in your skincare routine. Another issue snail mucin is good at managing is treating our skin texture, particularly its elasticity. Environmental stressors, aging, and so many other factors can cause our skin to lose its firmness and elasticity. This ultimately leads us to pulling at our face in the mirror trying to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. We all saw that age filter on TikTok, and I think we can agree that we're not ready for that yet. Improving our skin's texture and elasticity is crucial to maintaining a more youthful and vibrant appearance. Snail mucin is amazing at reducing uneven textures and improving skin elasticity. Its natural components like peptides and growth factors help stimulate our collagen production and promote skin regeneration. By supporting the skin's natural healing process, snail mucin works to diminish appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin smoother, plumper, and more resilient. The Snail Peptide Eye Cream from COSRX is exactly the product you're going to want to reach for. It's enriched with 72% snail mucin and a bunch of anti-aging peptides. This combination is especially formulated to firm, brighten, and reduce puffiness. It also targets dull, dehydrated skin, fine lines and wrinkles, and dark circles. So pretty much all the stuff we're trying to get rid of. If you don't already have an eye cream in your routine, this is the sign that it's your time. This COSRX Eye Cream can help you maintain a vibrant, more youthful appearance. Snail mucin can also help address issues like hyperpigmentation and scarring. If you've been dealing with these, you've probably groaned on the other side of the screen. The struggle to find effective solutions to reduce dark spots and get a more even complexion is so real. Whether your hyperpigmentation is caused by acne, sun exposure, genetics, or another skin condition altogether, you're not alone. There's still hope. The all-in-one moisturizer Snail 92 is one of our top recommendations for addressing hyperpigmentation and scarring. Honestly, it's wonderful for most skin types. From super dry or oily to combination or sensitive skin, this moisturizer is practically one size fits all. With its high concentration of snail mucin, its lightweight cream sends nourishment deep into the skin. This helps repair damaged skin cells and promotes a more even skin tone. While snail mucin is pretty powerful, we still recommend layering your skincare routine to get the most out of the product. Of course, you'll want to start with that gel cleanser from COSRX to give yourself a nice clean base. Next, you'll want a toner to soothe and prep your skin so you can absorb all the benefits from your next products. The Levito Hydrating Facial Toner is perfect for this. It uses water that's rich in botanical nutrients instead of typical water base. This provides a soothing action while their signature blend of organic pomegranate peel, orange blossom, and carrot help brighten and tone. After the toner is where your Snail Mucin products will come in. With a proper base, your skin can really soak up all these wonderful benefits Snail Mucin has to offer. And once your Snail Mucin product is on, vitamin C is up next. This vitamin C serum from Allies of Skin will elevate those brightening and firming qualities of the Snail Mucin. Not to mention it'll help with hyperpigmentation, making it a good combo with the all-in-one moisturizer that we talked about. This is the perfect product to use in the morning to lock in your skin's moisture while keeping your skin looking bright and even. Next up is your moisturizer. Your skin is probably feeling pretty hydrated right about now, but this is a crucial step, so be sure not to skip it. And last but not least is SPF. Whatever you do, always be sure to finish off your routine with sunscreen. We like options from everyday humans, specifically their Rose from Above formula. This sunscreen primes and it also smooths your skin while giving you a healthy glow. Okay, I think that's all the time we have for today, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Snail Mucin is such an amazing addition to products, so I hope you take the chance on it if you haven't already. If you still have questions or want to talk to somebody about the best options for your unique skin type, we want to help you find the right products for you. Come into any JCPenney and our beauty experts will help you find the right solution for your skin and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney. And be sure to ring the bell so you can get a notification when new skincare tips drop. We'd also love to know if you've given Snail Mucin a try. If you have, comment your favorite ways to use it below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.